Hello all, welcome to the Universal Group of Institution Bangalore. The Soliga or Solega are an indigenous forest-dwelling tribe primarily found in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The term Soliga means children of bamboo, highlighting their deep connections with nature. They inhabit forested areas around Biligiri, Rangana hills and Mahadeshwara hills and are the first tribal community in India to secure forest rights within a tiger reserve, that is the Biligiri Rangaswamy Temple Tiger Reserve. In 2011, census record their population approximately 33,000 in Karnataka and 6,000 in Tamil Nadu. The Soligas speak the Dravidian language Sholaga along with Kannada and Tamil. Traditionally, their economic revolves around shifting cultivation and collecting minor forest produce, with honey playing a crucial role in their diet. They are known for sustainable practices, creating items like jotai, a leaf-based cup. Their single-room huts built from bamboo and mud reflects their simple living. The Soliga blend Hindu customs with naturalism and animism, embodying their belief in harmonious coexistence with the environment and respecting the natural world. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us.